Bro, again? You gotta be serious right now. Are you freaking kidding me?
Be clear.
What now? What is this?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued
Another
a flash flood warning
FFW?
for
What the heck?
northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey,
What the
northwestern
heck?
Camden County in southern New Jersey, north central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, east central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania,
right.
northeastern Delaware County in southeastern
Oh, it has to be on
Pennsylvania,
WXL40.
southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in
Oh, it's for
southeastern
Philadelphia.
Pennsylvania until 3:45 a.m. At 11:36 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms
Okay,
producing
let's
heavy
get
rain
going.
across the warned area. Up to 0.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rain is 0.5, well, and 68. Impact, flooding of and underpasses as well
It's on
as
WXM60.
and northern areas.
Yeah, it's a WXM60.
May experience flash flood.
How about WXM60?
Norton. Turn around.
It is on
Go
WXL39.
south when encountering flooded roads.
So 3 stations.
When
Dang. Okay.